Could be a match.
The bell, yeah, and they used to call the Tornado Tag Team the Texas Tag Team, but you can call it what you want. I call it fun.
And to the millions of coal miners that are tuning in right now, I'll do my best to keep the King's commentary unbiased, but I can't make any promises.
And I'll do my best to try to not punch you in the face, but I won't make any promises either. And you know, it's just amazing to me that this is just another night in the WWE. Always memorable. And he's toast.
Nicely executed. Ladies and gentlemen, you're watching SmackDown, the second longest running weekly episodic television program in history. He's starting to show signs of fatigue. The Tornado Tag Team atmosphere appears to be getting the best of him here.
Regardless, we and the rest of the WWE world are in for a night to remember.
Looking to fly.
Get some air here.
I need some too after sitting next to you. Going for an encore here.
Are you kidding me? Look! Oh, look at the emotion.
And now it is show-off time.
Don't waste time floating here.
Acrobatics like that do more than just frustrate opponents.
Yeah, he may be ticking this guy up. Uh-oh!
Well, that missed him all right.
Hey, did you look before firing? What an idiot. Getting back into the ring now.
King, you can take a breath. Get the crowd that got knocked over. Bringing it back between the ropes.
And that's a good thing. The action was getting a little too close for comfort out here. I think he's got it. Does he have it? Back where it belongs, inside the ring.
Yeah, but it was pretty cool watching these guys fight right
how the freak did he get around me?
The repetition on that move is
I'll call bull crap dibs on that.
Oh, and did you hear the impact? Got out of the way of that one. Textbook. Oh, and did you hear the impact? Dodges to the side of that one.
Wow! If he keeps this up, this could be over quick.
What the heck? Come on, Jerry. Now get down from there. Don't make me come up there and get you.
Oh, yeah, like you're going to do anything. Take it easy, Cole. You don't want a reminder of what this right hand feels like. Yeah, I didn't think so.
Getting his attention with a vicious strike.
On that big Taurus.
And that was a costly misstep. It looked like his whole neck just crumbled there. Maneuvers like that put everybody in danger.
No kidding, that's awful. Really pushing his opponent to the limit here. Oh!
Quick thinking to avoid that.
Oh, that did it. Good night. He's almost got it. I can't believe it. Oh my gosh. This is the last position you want to be in. Boy, did he get dropped.
Almost there. That's it. It's over. It's over.
Look at him unloading with it. That's it. He's done.
Action like this has become synonymous with SmackDown over the years.
Victory is within his reach, but can he grab it? I love my bed.